Now let us see the property of the triangle. The first property. You can see two triangles. One is triangle ABC, in which AD is perpendicular to side BC, that AD is the height of the triangle. The other triangle is triangle PQR, which is the obtuse angle triangle. Therefore, the base is extended and we draw a height PM on the exterior of the triangle PQR. So, PM is the height of the triangle PQR. Now, area triangle ABC is given by formula half into BC into AD, half base into height. Now, area triangle PQR is given by half into base QR into height PM. Let us find out the ratio. So, we have to divide. Ratio means what? We have to divide the two triangles, area. So, area triangle ABC upon area triangle PQR is equal to half into BC into AD upon half into QR into PM. Here 1/2 and 1/2 from the numerator and denominator get cancelled. Therefore, area triangle ABC upon area triangle PQR is equal to BC into AD upon QR into PM. That is, A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. So, what is the first property? A ratio of the area of the two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their base into height. Understood the property? So, let us see the second property. We can see the figure triangle ABC and triangle ACD in the figure. We are considering these two triangles. Triangle ACD is obtuse angle triangle and triangle ABC is acute angle triangle. From A, if we draw a perpendicular on the base BC, then AM is the height of triangle ABC. If we consider triangle ACD, then same AM is the height of the triangle ACD also. So, let us find out the property. Area triangle ABC is equal to half into BC into AM, and area of triangle ACD is equal to half into CD into AM. Now take the ratio. So, area triangle ABC upon area triangle ACD is equal to half multiplied by BC multiplied by AM upon half multiplied by CD into AM. This 1/2 get cancelled. That AM and AM get cancelled. So, what is left? BC upon CD on the right hand side. So, area triangle ABC upon area triangle ACD is equal to BC upon CD. So, what is the conclusion? These are the triangles with common height, and therefore we generalize this property as A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 when H1 is equal to H2. Triangles with common height or equal height are there. Therefore, the ratio of the areas of the triangle with common or equal height is proportional to their corresponding bases. Let us see the third property. Now you can see triangle ABC and triangle PBC. We are going to consider these two triangles. For triangle ABC, AM is the perpendicular drawn on the side BC. So, AM is the height. And for triangle PBC, PN is the perpendicular drawn on the side BC, which is extended. So, PN is the height of triangle PBC. Now, we will write the ratio directly. Area triangle ABC upon area triangle PBC is equal to half into BC into AM upon half into BC into PN. Here, if we see numerator and denominator, half get cancelled and BC also get cancelled. Therefore, area triangle ABC upon area triangle PBC is equal to AM upon PN. So what is AM and PN? These are the heights. Therefore, we generalize the formula as A1 upon A2 is equal to H1 upon H2 when B1 is equal to B2. So, we write it as the ratio of the areas of the two triangles with common or equal base is equal to the ratio of the corresponding height. Now, let us see the fourth property of the area of triangles. Okay. In this figure, if you see, the figure is of trapezium ABCD. What is the property of trapezium? In trapezium, one pair of opposite side is always parallel. Therefore, AB is parallel to CD. Now, we will consider here two triangles. One is triangle ABD and the other is triangle BAC. Okay, understood? One is triangle ABD and the other is triangle BAC. Now, in this triangle, if you see, these two triangles are lying in the same parallel line. Therefore, their heights are equal. We know that. And these two triangles have the same base AB. Okay. So, we will write that area triangle ABD as half into AB into DN and area triangle BAC as half into AB into CM. Here, if we take the ratio of area triangle ABD and area triangle BAC, we write it as ABD triangle upon triangle BAC is equal to half into AB into DN upon half into AB into CM. Now here half get cancelled, AB and AB get cancelled, AM, CM and DN are equal, heights are equal because the triangles are lying in the same parallel line. Therefore, both base and height are equal. Therefore, A1 upon A2 is equal to 1. That is the generalization of this fourth property. That means area of a triangle, if their base and heights are equal, then we can give the ratio of the areas of these two triangles which is equal to 1, or we can say that their areas are equal.